And I won't try just to make you mine. To get a little closer would be so divine. And every time I see you, you make me come undone. I always want you near me, and you I found the one. Oh, why don't you smile, my only star? Shine on, baby, smile, my only star. Smile, my only star. Oh, why don't you smile, my only star? Shine on, baby, smile, my only star. Smile, my only star.
Hindi naman mahirap para ako piliin mo, diba? I never said that I love you.
Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man.
Mamaya, pagpayat ka na, hindi mo na ako pansinin.
Hindi mangyayari yun.
Mamimiss kita.
I just want to tell you how much I like you.
Ako rin.
This time I love you much better.
Maki! Ano? Kamusta ka na? Nagpo-model ka ba?
I'm managing a restaurant with my girlfriend.
This time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang natatanging love story.
And I owe it all to you.
Miss Carlota Sikat, will you marry me?
Just remember, you're the one, babe.
I can't get enough of.
So I'll tell you something. This could be love, because
I've had the time of my life. No, I never felt this way before.
yes, I swear it's the truth.
And I owe it all to you, 'cause I had the time of my life. And I've searched through every open door till I found the truth. And I owe it all to you.
Ngayong Mayo, sa unang anibersaryo ng Precious Hearts Romances, isang naiibang kwento ang babago sa mukha ng pag-ibig. Pinagbibidahan ni na Sam Milby at si Maha Salvador sa isang natatanging pagganap. Ipinakikilala sina Melay Cantiveros at Jason Francisco. Taglay niya ang kagandahang pinapantasya. Paano kung ang mukhang ito'y hindi sa kanya?
Manluloko. Manluloko.
Impostor.
Nagtatala, hindi ba't kailan lang nang ika'y iwanan niya? At ewan kong nasa'yo, parang baliwala ang puso ko. Ano nga bang meron siya na sa akin ay di mo makita? Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pang
lonely life has been. But life began again.
Nagtataksil ba yung klase?
I'm talking about my girl, my girl. Yeah, I'm talking about my girl. Yeah, I'm talking about my girl. I guess you'll say I wanna talk about it, my girl. Oh, I'm talking about my girl.
Ngingiti-ngiti ka pa dyan, pasalamat ka, gwapo ka.
Salamat.